having a slight issue with the fuel on the D200, so we are going to replace the fuel pump because apparently they go out a lot. And we'll show you kind of what we're doing with that. So you can see here we're not really getting any gas or any fuel up. It'll start and run, but it just kind of coughs through it. So going to get down here. Eric's getting some tools together and replace the fuel pump. This guy can make his way out of here at any time.
This one is gonna have to grow on me a lot, man. This one, I don't know if I can get off. We can wiggle her off. Oh, yeah. Oh, that one's gonna leak too. Oh, I can't. Rag. Oh, goodness gracious. How long is it? Oh, give me my rag.
I can't see them, but I will take a guess anyway and say 15?
Oh, these are still standard.
Okay, then I don't know.
You don't. Okay, so he said 15, so he's 9/16 would be a 15.
Okay.
So there's 9/16. You're right. You're so right. You're so good. So snaky down here. Oh, too far. No. Wish all my tools can be here at the house. You know? Or somehow try to get all doubles.
I was gonna say, or doubles of everything.
I mean, it's so much money. Oh, that was tight. This one out yet. Oh, yeah, that feels good. Alright, that one was out there. And this one down. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Popped off. We's popping now, bruh.
Got our new fuel pump. We're gonna switch over the fitting and then
Oh, that's what it is, babe.
get that back up in there.
I'm gonna cut this down. I feel like it's leaking out of that, though. You know, this is the old one I cut. It's not straight. I don't know, we'll use it. I guess they do, I don't know. I mean, it didn't move for like a year. Over a year.
I don't think it was that long. Maybe.
Alright, this is gonna be fun. So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of sealant on there so it don't fall off. Hold it on there for me. Just a little bit. Should be enough. Right. Alright. Gasket. Well, there's two. I guess you can mess up and you and me.
Well, that's good. Thanks advanced.
They must know.
They must know.
They must know me. Turner. Okay, look, man. Look. I need you to go in there. In there. I don't think that's it. That's it. Dang it. How do I gotta do this? I don't think that's it. No. There's dog poop. Is that really on there? Oh, okay. Hold on there, partner. Let me come get it. Oh, hell, I didn't need this one, babe. It's gonna fall out of there. Get it there. Alright. I think I'm in the hole.
In the hole?
I think. Yeah, I'm in the hole. Whole lot of nothing. Alright, that one's snuggy duggy. I gotta tighten them now. You want to tighten them to 120 pounds. Just kidding. Don't listen. Don't listen to a word I say. This is for entertainment purposes only. I don't condone this hoopty stuff we do here, right? Oh, you're just a delight, aren't you? If this fixes that problem, I'll be super stoked. And then Wednesday or Saturday, our radiator should be here.
Yeah.
And then we can actually,
Take it for a proper drive.
yes, actually take it for a proper shakedown. I still need to weld on the exhaust all the way because it's not.
I keep forgetting that it's just tacked on.
Oh, yeah, I'm surprised it hasn't came off yet, to be honest. That was with our old welder.
Oh, that's right.
So it probably ain't on there very good. Apparently it's on there pretty good though, actually. Okay, it's tight. Alright, so. Okay, this one. Where are you at? Is that you? Where's the one I hid up there?
That is the one you hid it up there.
This is?
Yep.
I hid it. I hated it up there. I feel like I'm Roscoe when I say that. I hated it. Get over there. There you go. Stay right there for a minute. Hold you up my fingertip. Maybe I'll do that. But not too tight. Just tight enough. Almost got them fingertips. Alright, now this one. Long thing here. Yeah, once we redo all this motor stuff, we're gonna probably fix all that nonsense there. Let me do this one here. Sorry. Let me knee you.
You need me.
I need you. Okay. I think we're ready.
Okay.
That's it.
Sweet.
Okay.
Just an extra piece.
I don't know. It was already there.
Okay. I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of see how super clean the fuel was.
I'm just filling up the bowls.
There it goes. There's just one small problem. Ain't got no gas in it.
I hate these.
I know, they're dumb.
Whoever was sniffing gas messed it up for everybody.
Shame on you.
Bad. No. So dumb. I can't tell you when the last time I put gas in it.
I think when we tried to bring it up.
Yeah.
But other than that, it had been sitting since then.
Yeah. I wish I knew how much was in there.
More than none and less than all.
I mean, I guess eventually we're gonna have to drop the tank and probably put a new tank in it, I'm guessing now. All that crap's coming up.
Okay. She a little thirsty?
And the box is leaking. That's where it's leaking from.
Oh.
Like the OBS.
Oh.
Same thing. So I have two of them that are leaking the same way.
I love that for us.
I don't know about that. See if that does it quite.
Now we've got the new fuel pump installed. Truck's running much better. Got it tuned up a little bit and it's all ready to go. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, share, all those wonderful things, and we'll see you in the next one.